Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from reasoning ability. As we know that reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most hardest one also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it, and the only way to score high in this portion is your full conceptual clarification and rigorous practice. These questions are from basically syllogism. In this type of questions, we are given four statements and followed by three conclusions. And based on the logic inherent in the statements, we need to find that whether the conclusions are true or not. So let's start with the first one. All bottles are jars, some jars are pots, all pots are taps, and no taps is tank. These type of questions are solved using diagram. So first of all, we need to draw the diagram. So this is the bottle set, this is the jar set, this is the pot set, and all pots are taps, therefore taps is a superset of pot, and there is no link between tank and taps. Now let's see the conclusion 1. The conclusion 1 is no pot is tank. No pot is tank. So this is the pot set, this is the tank set, and this is a true statement as there is no relation in between these two sets. Therefore 1 follows. Now let's see the second conclusion. The second conclusion is at least some jars are tanks. This is the jar set and this is the tank set, and there is no relation in between them. Therefore at least some jars are tanks is a false statement, so conclusion 2 doesn't follow. Now let's see the next one. Some taps being pots is a possibility. As we can see from this picture that tap is a superset of pots, therefore some taps being pots is a possibility. In this statement we can sense a doubt in it, therefore the statement is false, as this is pretty much obvious that some of the taps must be pot, as tap is a superset of pot. So only 1 follows, therefore the correct answer is none of the above. Now let's see the next question. In this next question we are given that some fishes are crocodiles. Some fishes are crocodiles. Some crocodiles are snakes. No snake is tortoise. And lastly, all tortoises are frogs. Okay, so this is the required diagram for these given statements. Now let's see the first conclusion. No snake is frog. This is the snake set and this is the frog set, and from this given picture we can say that no snake is frog is a true statement. As frog is the superset of tortoise and given by the question, snakes and tortoise are not related, therefore the superset is also not related with snake. It is pretty much obvious. Now see the next one, that is some snakes are definitely fishes. Some snakes are definitely fishes. This is the snake set and this is the fishes set, and there is no relation in between them, therefore we can say that the statement is false. Now let's see the last conclusion. At least some fish are frogs. At least some fish are frogs. Okay, so this is the fish set and this is the frog set, and there is no relation in between them, therefore this statement is also false. Sorry, this is a false statement. Okay, therefore all the three conclusions are false. Sorry, no snake is for frog is also a wrong statement. No snake is frog, as sorry, I wrongly described the first statement, uh, as this is a pictorial representation of the given statements, but as we can see that this is not only the pictorial representation, there are another possibility. There is another possibility that suppose you draw this particular diagram in this way. Suppose the frog set is looks like this. So there is an intersection in between snakes and frogs. So we cannot say that no snake is frog, because there is no definite there is no definite proof for this conclusion. So we can say that this is a false conclusion, that no snake is frog. So all the three conclusions are false. So we can say that the statement 1, the option 1 is correct, that is none follows. Okay, so we have solved 2 questions and that's all for today. If you want to know more about this type of questions and especially reasoning ability, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 and 9874822756, or you just can check our website, which is www.sorosisclasses.com for further details. Thank you very much.